Welcome to the Racer Oral Communication Center. Come on in. The ROCC is a free resource for all members of the Murray State University community. This includes faculty, staff, and both graduate and undergraduate students from across all programs and disciplines.
Our goal is to provide you the tools necessary for your success. We help with outlining and preparing your presentations, going over visual aids, and ensuring that you feel confident about your whole entire speech.
We're located in the reference room of the Waterfield Library. For our hours, please check our website.
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment. How can I do that?
Absolutely. To make an appointment, you can visit us online at lib.murraystate.edu/comm center, call us at 270-809-3458, but since you're already here, we'll just make it a walk-in appointment. What's your name, major, and M number?
Hi, I'm Tori. ROCC has been a major lifesaver for many of my projects. As a business major, I have had to do many speeches. ROCC has helped me adjust my speeches, practice them, and feel calm, collected, and prepared to give them.
We can't wait to work with you on your next speech.